Understanding the Math Glossary, a simple guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic, the Math Glossary. This video will explain what a math glossary is and why it's essential, especially for those learning English and math simultaneously. Let's explore together how this tool can be a game changer in your learning journey. A math glossary is a collection of mathematical terms and their definitions. Think of it as a dictionary, but specifically for math vocabulary. It includes explanations of concepts, formulas, and even symbols used in mathematics. This tool is incredibly useful for students and professionals who need to understand math terminology, especially if English is not their first language. Why is a math glossary so important for English language learners? First, it bridges the gap between language and mathematics. It helps in understanding complex terms that are often used in math classes or textbooks. By having definitions in simple English, learners can grasp concepts more quickly. It's also a great resource for expanding vocabulary and improving language skills alongside math proficiency. Using a math glossary is straightforward. Whenever you come across a term in math that you don't understand, look it up in the glossary. Pay attention to examples provided, as they often help in comprehending the application of the term. It's also a good idea to practice using these terms in sentences or math problems to better internalize them. Not all math glossaries are created equal. When choosing one, look for those that are easy to understand and are appropriate for your level of math and English proficiency. Some glossaries are designed for high school level, while others are for university or professional use. Additionally, consider glossaries that provide contextual examples for better understanding. We hope this video has shed light on what a math glossary is and how it can significantly aid in learning both math and English. Remember, a good math glossary can be a powerful tool in your educational arsenal. Keep exploring, keep learning, and as always, we hope you find this video helpful in your journey to mastering English and math. See you in the next one.